excited to show you one of my very favorite masks tonight. We are going to be going over the Charcoal Mask by Mary Kay, Clearproof line. This is deep cleansing. It has rosemary and peppermint, so it's refreshing and rejuvenating. And it also has navy bean extract in it, which helps with discoloration and evening out your skin tone. And it also has honeysuckle. I love this mask, and I hope you do too. So, I have my applicator, which I also love. It's not even a bristle brush. It is like a little silicone thing, so it applies so nice and even. If you don't like getting your hands all gooey, but you totally can use your hands and your fingers to apply. But you're gonna put a nice generous amount all over your face. And this clay absorbs 5 times its weight. So it's really going to suck out all those impurities that are in your skin and give you a nice deep clean. And voila! So I'm going to leave this on from 10 to 20 minutes and let it have time to suck out all those impurities and give my skin a nice deep cleanse. And I'll see you in 20. I'm back. It's been 20 minutes, and you can see how it's dry. Do you see like these darker spots? Those are the impurities that this is like sucking out. So gross. Oh my goodness. Okay, so rinse your face, and I'll see you back after you rinse your face. Alright, oh, that feels so good. My skin feels so clean and refreshed. I love the charcoal mask. So now all you have to do is just finish out your routine. So for me, it's nighttime. I'm going to be using some of my hydrating gel, my nighttime cream, and my eye cream. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.